My mother wake me in the morning. Why cannot I sleep for more time since it is online education?
Okay, you want to sleep for more time because it's online education. Okay. Okay, let me tell you this way. The sunrise happens almost at the same time every day. Do you agree with me? Yes, there is some difference. For example, during summer, the sunrise in Hyderabad, in our area, South India, happens a bit early, maybe at 5:50 in the morning or 5:45 also in the morning. During winter months, that is during December, January, it happens a bit late, maybe at 6:30. So there is some variation, half an hour this way, that way, that I agree. But sunrise happens in the morning, right or wrong? What if some things, every day I'm doing the same thing, I'll sleep for more time, I'll wake up at 10 o'clock, the sunrise doesn't happen till 10 o'clock, how do you feel? Awkward, isn't it? We know that rains, now we are having rainy season, we are seeing abundant rainfall. What if rainfall happens during winter months and during summer months? If there is winter, I mean if it is very cold, we feel very uncomfortable, isn't it? So everything in nature goes according to a system, it's a routine. There is a system, there is a pattern. Chalo, sunrise, sun, moon, rainfall, seasons, these are all natural things. They are not having any life as such. It happens, in fact, sun doesn't rise because of the movement of the earth. We feel it is sunrise, we feel it is sunset. Sun is not sleeping and not coming up. This I agree. But let me put it in a different way. You want to get up at 9:30 in the morning, good, okay? Same way, if your milkman thinks, early in the morning 6:30, why should I supply milk to them? Today or some days I'll supply milk at 12 o'clock in the afternoon. If the milk person thinks, what will be your reaction? In the morning you can't get, your parents cannot get coffee or tea, you cannot get milk, right or wrong? Yes, you don't get food. The newspaper wala, the newspaper boy, if he thinks morning why should I go, I'll go after lunch, then in the morning you can't read the newspapers.
Then we don't know what's happening in
Yes, yes. And a train, you want to travel by train. Train should start at say 7 o'clock in the morning. Driver thinks one day I'll sleep, what is there? If yes, if he gets up at 9 o'clock, then the train will be delayed. Hundreds, thousands of people will be delayed. If one train gets delayed, it may result in delay of other trains also. Everything should go according to a system. Agreed or not? Same way, when your school was functioning, every day you used to get up at same time, 15 minutes this way, that way, okay, 6 o'clock or 6:30. Now you feel it is a holiday. No, just now I told you that it's not a holiday for you. Sunday is a holiday, I agree. Some other festival day is a holiday. Heads program doesn't mean it is a holiday for you, my dear children. Understand this. School has come to your house. There is a lot that you have to do. You have to study. If you were to come to school, teachers used to cross-check, look into your face to see, to understand whether you are clear with the concept or not. Now, there is more responsibility on you. So, every day, every working day, you should get up the same way as you used to get up earlier. Yes, on a Sunday, if you want to sleep for more time, I agree, no problem. On some other holiday, if you want to sleep for more time, I agree. In fact, you get a lot of time now. As children, you can sleep, primary children can sleep for 8 to 9 hours, no problem. But if you sleep for 12 hours, 13 hours, what can happen?
You'll be so lazy.
Lazy, yes, you will become lazy and it will affect your health. So, following a regular routine, doing things on time, time management is required, is more required now than earlier times. You should be more disciplined now. Remember, if you have got a younger brother, you are in say 3rd class or 4th class, you got a younger brother or sister in UKG or class 1 or LKG, you should guide them. You should act as a model to them. If you yourself are sleeping, you want to sleep, not doing things on time, then they will copy from you, they will learn from you. Your younger brother, younger sister will learn from you. So, you are all good children. On every working day, punctually, you will get up, you will do your regular routine, you will attend to heads program, you will listen to that. You don't need your mother's help. Do you need your mother to sit around you and to tell? No. You are all slaters. Being a slater, you can do things on your own. Only when you need your mother's help, ask for that. Your mother is busy with so many things around. She has to cook, some of them have to go to offices. They have to, yes, there are so many works that your parents need to attend. Don't expect their presence when you are watching video. If you don't understand anything, no need to ask your mother. Ask the teacher tomorrow or next day. Teacher will clarify. All the times parents may not be aware of what is there in the lesson. So, you ask the teacher, teacher will explain any number of times till you understand the concepts. Understood? So, punctuality is one of the basic characters, the traits that all slaters should possess. Punctuality, time management, planning, all these things. Okay? Right.
I feel shy to ask questions during online class. What should I do?
Generally, children, even if they know the answer, when teacher is asking, they keep quiet. If they have not understood, they hesitate to ask. This is what happens with other school children. But you are slaters. When last academic year or before that, whenever I came to your class, I told you so many times. Teachers also told you so many times. If you are having a doubt, feel free to ask the doubt. Now during Google Meet, if you got a doubt, indicate to the teacher that you want to ask a question. Feel free. Only when you ask, teachers get a chance to explain. If you know everything, then you need not study. Right or wrong? Right or wrong? As children, you don't know many things. We teachers are here to teach you. Suppose if you are feeling hungry, if you don't tell that to your mom, how can she feed you? How can she give you food? She can't, isn't it? Normally, okay, breakfast, lunch, dinner, she serves you, that is okay. But one day, say 4 o'clock in the evening, you started feeling hungry, whatever reason. You should tell that to mom, isn't it? Or you are feeling thirsty, or you are feeling tired, whatever. Unless and until you tell your parents, they can't attend to your needs. Same way, if you get a doubt, feel free to ask the same doubt, same to tell to the teacher. Okay? A slater will never feel shy. A slater will never hesitate. Always you should look for opportunity. Whenever teacher asks a question, you should jump. Jump doesn't mean really jumping. Jump, ready. Always be ready to answer. Understood? Okay.